Ebusan for Mamunina Akwaba Eba Ghana SMTV GH Mesrel like a comment subscribe. Turn on notification also so that anytime I post videos be this where Usabe Kabi ama washe. Na yakwa sem no swe. Na is actually John Domani Mahama no. Ni advices omu ye jumanu de. I'm not sure say omu ye jumanu. Because if aka presidential advisors omu ye juma niema bi wo hɔ a steps bi wo hɔ a ɔmampanin no ɔmfa da. Yeah, ɔmfa. A step like say ɔman no betimi sɔre nya kukudura kɔ arrest ye abronya. Sɛ adeɛ deɛ ɛnya adeɛ a yɛ ni o. Abronya ndi abronya ye no. Ɛyɛ school a yɛ nyina yakɔ. Kevin Taylor International School. Yeah. And revelations are about say, according to sources, which is still alleged, there's answer me kind of straight I bet me. Bini lawyers ka. Say Ibrahim Mahama, the one behind Kevin Taylor. Na yenim so say Ibrahim Mahama nye hwea ebra ninua enim. Right? Enti ebra Kevin Taylor ebie school no. Sa school a yedi yankrofo a yembu obia no. The brother your mama was aware. Asem be na Kevin Taylor anka nkyere. Akufo-Addo. Now let's even move away from Kevin Taylor. Now let's come into the country. Propaganda and Ben at TV3 for anye editi Akufo-Addo ni NPP abai. But did Akufo-Addo move? No. Akufo-Addo can say, I prefer a noisy media to a silent media. That is how Democrats speak. But unfortunately, they were my way, even the people who are supposed to be the Democrats are the ones who are riding on authoritarianism. Let me make a for Mubom say mammy, Mubom say mammy. Me kind of sa na more for phone, no more dropping mumu, And easy, yeah. No, but on a more serious note, him say, anytime NDC, ever buy mono, they rule with a strong arm. Yeah. Now they are Abronye Kai, and then what is really new about what they are saying Abronye Kai? And yeah, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama na neka say courts no, yeah, fill your mu with MPP judges, and your mu ba or be balance equation. So one amukai. And it's Abronye Kai say obi a kind of saying MPP judge, and NDC judge, and with the bribe. Say is not really different from what John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency, said when he was in opposition. But I don't know. I mean, Esan said they yield power, they yield political power, and they will go and arrest Abronye to show that him where power lies. Omo Tsatsu Tsikata. Omo Tsatsu Tsikata. Onu neka say political power no. Prosecution is not to show where power lies. Tsatsu Tsikata no. Oh yeah. I mean, if you have a genuine case against somebody, go in for the person. And there no problem. But the AN say, let's go and chin kekene say, you buy my question. Sorry for this to say that. Yes, normally I don't use such words, but I mean, egg is getting out of hands. They say, "Oka sembo TikTok, I see a kochi we, oka saba movie, ne a kochi." As a police for munishi, armed robbery soon a cosui. Armed robbery is going up to the extent, say, they say police for et me chin pa bakwa. Ya promotion. Yeah, that's what the IGP is doing. I can prove to you. Even tema police for. I say o makwa for LA armed robbery bi a promote your money na. it only happens because armed robbery is on the rise, and it will encourage policemen to not to fear for their own lives. Then they, brothers, you catch an armed robber, you get promotion. And to one to meet armed robber now, be ready for no promotion. Oh, Mother Ghana. But media just feel say, I hope say, as some Tsatsu Tsikata kaya, no, they will listen for once and stop misusing political power. Because you know something? Power in the air, transient, and never NDC or China by NPP. Yeah. And 2028 is just in the corner. And never sweet keke. The moment I even my bronya appointment as Yoko boss. Now, Obiabe Jani or my way. Obiabe Jani. She. I bronya as Yoko boss. When you hear it, believe it. She. Evolution 4, as you can see, you hear your help to get a studio at me a yes news thing manema ewo you started appeals no over a certain period of time, and some of you have indeed responded to our call. Why? Total expenses are as projected at 25,000 Ghana cedis. What do you call dollars more? Around 2,400 US dollars. And some better mate me boy. Na MPs ni penny for mo channel we. It's a Ghana same there. Same more money. It's a boy. Why? Trust him. Ghana same for. Musu so mo na hwe bibi. Boy. Here pa na. I mean, it's a set up no. Madam say na we dey bia boy no. Enti ene NDC lawyer your friend no Oliver Voma Wobaka ene nkoshe ni Facebook page also Oliver Voma and Akufo-Addo that will go and remove key from police car now at Tuechini. And when they arrest him, Ghanaians say, why have you arrested him? Oliver Voma that was writing speeches for NDC presidents, past presidents be, except Akufo-Addo and Kufuor. So the other ones, you know them. Today he's crying. Said the judicial system, as we have it, my name was saying, no, I poto. And this judicial system, according to Vomao, I poto is because of a promise John Mahama made. Have you forgotten? Said John Mahama told you and I, say, he believes, said the courts are full of MPP judges now. So when he comes, about the balance equation. Do you remember? He told us that. And once John Mahama came, what was one of the first things he did? Appointments to Court of Appeal, appointments to high courts, appointments to the Supreme Court. In fact, in the first attempt, 7 people straight forth to the Supreme Court. And some of these 7 people, okay, that were sent to the Supreme Court, were the ones who sat on the issue of Getri Tokono. The appeals that were being sent. Appeals are now sent on the Tokono case. Some of these appointed judges by His Excellency John Dramani Mahama were the ones who sat on the case. So you don't get surprised when the judgment comes and they say they have thrown the issue out of court. Because they are there, maybe because per what Mahama was saying in opposition, he made us know, say, there's something called unanimous 7, yes, sir. Unanimous FC. That some way, somehow, the executive can manipulate the judiciary. That is NDC belief. So today, I'm working by their belief. What was right in the past is right today. I hope you're on the same page with that, right? And it's our prayer currently, and your mama there, in say, don't even do anything that will make you land in the hands of the judiciary. Because you cannot really trust whatever process will go on. Say it me imprisoning obi. A court can sanction someone for 15 years. Then strangely, they will reduce 15 years to 1 year. Then it should tell you that Ghana, the judicial system under Mahama only favors the rich. And to those of us who are coming from poor backgrounds, those of us who don't have any uncle or auntie who has money, should you have an issue with the judicial system as it stands now under John Mahama, you will cry. You will cry. Then again, I want to say, I've told you before and I'm telling you again. Say, Kenuforiata Bank that Atoforsen, John Mahama, and the others were telling you and I say, it was not qualified to broken deals. To get deals done on behalf of government now. Do you know, sir, and as we are speaking, John Mahama's administration, Atoforsen's Ministry of Finance, they are doing deals with data bank. Yeah. The data bank that is evil, no. And NDC4, NDC Abinwe is relying on data bank, okay, to do deals on international platform, on international platforms. The deception of NDC. Yeah. NDC4 deception, no. And Felix Fosukwache ekacho mini oze LGBTQ trumu asem no enye priority. The president said it, Mama Kai. We thought it was a slip of tongue. And yes, sir. Yeah. Mama Kai. Now we were all thinking so a slip of tongue onto me say. Today, Felix Fosukwache is telling you, say, Asema Mama Kai no, sana enye mistake. And that is their belief. They believe, say, trumu no. Enye big deal. Obi pair. You understand? Funny honko. And far by no home. That is what the president and his spokesperson are telling you. And next Sam George is telling you, say, anything he said whilst he was in opposition, all the anointing oils, Sam George to say, Onu Nehemiah of our generation. He is the one who has been chosen by God to fight against this act, evil act of that brings indignation against Omanbiano. Or say, now it was just lip services. Ebushanfo will tell you, look, it goes just beyond culture and spiritual beliefs. So it has health implications. And it's for that reason that some of us supported when under NPP, the bill was sent to Parliament. And say, oh yes, we support it. Because the health implications of that act, no, Ghana, our health system is not ready for it. Yeah, that is why I was supporting the legislation. The health implications. Rectal cancer. Rectal cancer cancer. Do we have the systems? And I am from the health sector, and I'm telling you, we do not. And the who of fire renuba, my brother, my sister, you will die and we'll bury you. It's for that reason that the law was important. Let's even forget the religious aspect and the cultural aspect. It has been proven. It has been proven. Say in Krofua, especially for gays, they easily infect one another. And so when you go to countries where homosexuality allowed prevalent among gays HIV is a medical research. I'm talking about medical research. It's for that reason that it is very important. Very important, say. Some judge cannot just get up and tell you and I, say, now you're grubbing already. Because lives are at stake. Already, Abainwe is the same government that introduced Nicodemously LGBTQ into curriculum. No? And NPP Fu0 like our young ones, our children will have been taught all those, sorry to say, but balderdash. NDC Abainwe, when they came, and Haruna Idris, the LGBTQ, ko share book mu. Actually, yen kolan say, oh, how do you know you are a boy? They said here, it's not by watching what is down there to see whether you are a boy or a girl. Or say a idea, your mind, your state of mind, what you think about yourself. And if you have the thing down there, yet you think that you are a girl, it means you are a girl. That was the things they were introducing into our curriculum under Mahama. Under Mahama. It was when MPP started shouting, yeah, MPs now mere day. And they said, oh, a mistake, a mistake, a mistake, a mistake. But you look at the progression of things. First, two men be by and a photo shoot. Your Independence Square. This government has not been able to, up to today, bring those two gays back to the country for them to face the law. No. No. And then from there, the next thing is our children, our brothers, you are teaching them through textbook. Number 2, no. Number 3, then you come and tell me, say, LGBTQ law no priority. What are you trying to tell me? Jesus Christ died, he arose on the 3rd day. 3 things coming together. Perfect set for you to know, say, NDC, at the right time, they must come out and confess to us. Say, Sika Binsu na mwa kwakoji. Some legalize it. Ghana. They should tell us.